Hello my beautiful people, welcome to Mercy Beauty of Styles channel. My name is Mercy. Today I'm going to show you the night part of my apartment. That's the way the before kitchen was and the living room slash dining room. Please stay till the end of the video to see how the night part looks so beautiful, guys. This is a video collab with Kitsure. They sent me this nice heavy duty dish rack. As you can see, guys, it's very beautiful and you can dry so many dishes on it. As you guys know, I have a small apartment. I like to keep everything clean and well organized, and this one is very good. I'm gonna leave the link in the description box down below for you guys to check it out. For my wine lovers, this is a wine glass holder. Take my hand. Sometimes a little bit lost, gets a little bit found. This dish rack has a cutting board holder. Okay guys, let's get to work. And I've been here before, I think I've told you. And if you're new to this channel, welcome. I'm truly grateful to have you here. Please don't forget to like the video, subscribe, and hit the notification bell. On my next upload, you will be the first to know. In my channel, I do pretty much everything. I do my hair, I do my nails, home decor, DIY, clean with me. Guys, it's all in one TV channel. And if you are not new and you haven't subscribed yet, please consider to do so right now. And to all my current subscribers, thank you so much, guys. I'm truly grateful for all of you. Without you, I will never be where I am today. I'm truly grateful and keep on watching. It's super easy to use the draining board, as you can see, guys. You guys know I love LED, so I'm going to add some light in the kitchen. Keep on watching. Bonjour, bonsoir tout le monde, bienvenue sur channel ça. Si vous la pour première fois, moi c'est tout bienvenue. Non, moi c'est merci. S'il vous plaît, pas oublier abonner et puis partager. Et si c'est pas pour première fois, oh là, moi je dis merci un pile pour support. Merci un pile parce que vous toujours retourné pour venir supporter moi. Merci un pile parce que vous toujours là, regarder vidéo et moi qui un pile moment qui toujours a dit que moi pas mettre créole, moi mettre créole konya, s'il vous plaît, la petit grain commenter en créole. Nous connaissons nous même channel ça va privé côté lié là konya. Merci un pile. I measure the string light first because I didn't want to mess it up. After that, I peel it and stick it. Bonjour, bonsoir mes amours, bienvenue sur ma chaîne. Si vous êtes ici pour la première fois, je vous souhaite la bienvenue. Mon nom est Merci. Je vous en prie, n'oubliez pas de vous abonner et de partager. Et à tous mes abonnés, merci beaucoup, merci pour votre support, merci pour tout, je vous aime beaucoup. Show me your love like it is, and open my heart like you're fearless. Steal all the gold you can get. Show me your love, leave me breathless, breathless. Finished look, guys. Let me know what do you think, if you like it. If you do, don't forget to smash me with some thumbs up and share it. Comment down below, let me know your thought. So I love light. I always have a kind of light inside my home. Even the big light are turned off, I still have some kind of light inside. So you may not like it, that's fine, but me, that's what I love. Like it is, and open my heart like you're fearless. Steal all the gold you can get. Show me your love, leave me breathless, breathless. Can your I want to let you know, guys, whenever I'm counting my blessing, you guys are a part of it. I hope you guys enjoyed the video. I hope you guys like it. Thank you so much for taking your time watching it. I love you all, and I'll see you on my next one. Bye!
It's going where we go to have it all forever. Let's start our life together. Let's start our life together. Take my hand, there's 1,000 first dances for us. Sky being lit by the fire of our love. Yeah. After all that's come and gone through all the years, I wouldn't trade a thing, 'cause it brought us here. And you never looked so beautiful. You're everything I've waited for. So much more standing right in front of me, and we go weather every high and low. If love is going where we go to have it all forever, let's start our life together. Let's grow in our love, write the story that's only for us. Oh, 'cause our life together keeps getting better. And you never look so